tool that was used to create the disk image, in this case Geimager. It tells us information about the original media itself here. And then, perhaps most importantly, it includes all of our metadata that we connected to, or that we input when we did the disk imaging process. And down here, these are the hashes that I mentioned before. So this number, now that you have this number, at any point in the future, you can run a similar hash against that file. And so long as that number comes out the same, you know that those bits are exactly the same as the ones that you created, no matter how much time has passed. Now this is great, but it's also a separate file. One of the features that forensic scientists really like about forensics disk images is that metadata is actually contained within the disk image file itself. So if I right-click on the disk image and go down here to scripts, this browser window here is the file browser that comes in the Ubuntu Linux desktop, and it's called Nautilus. And much like your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever, you can extend its functionality through plugins, but Nautilus calls these plugins scripts. So we're going to use a script that will tell us the disk information of EO1 file. So here we have the file information again, and if we scroll down, we see all of our metadata contained within that disk image as well. So right from that disk image, I'm able to capture this information. So once we've created the disk image, we want to be able to process that disk image and use the digital forensics tools that are included in BitCurator to further analyze what we have on the disk and produce the useful metadata that might find its way into a finding aid or into some other document that helps us research what is